Today we're doing a slime video with this slime. It is Nickelodeon. It's Nickelodeon slime and it's from Crazy Art. As you can see, it's already a Crazy Art product. So a lot of Crazy Arts do a lot of slime and you know, we're gonna make it.
So it has everything you need. It has 2 white glue bottles, 1 bottle of slime activator, 3 pots of scented coloring, 1 measuring cup, 2 cups with lids, 3 slime sticks, 2 mixing bowls, 1 spoon, and instructions.
Comment below if you ever used a Crazy Art product and if you like making slime or if you don't.
Let's get to it.
Pour it in a bowl first. I'm gonna make it little because I do.
And we'll do that too. Get it all over the tablecloth.
Dripping. Like activating. It doesn't smell like blueberries that much. So that's kind of a notice.
So I'm just adding my blue color.
So it's kind of
And it looks like the blue color is activating the slime.
So I think it's time to activate.
Let's make mine's color purple.
Okay. I'm not sure you're supposed to be mixing it with the chopped using. You're supposed to mix this.
I don't think I added my activator, and this is already slime. Guys, I haven't added any activator, and this is acting like it's slime already. How is this possible? Just added a little bit, but I'm add
A little bit first because I don't know how this will turn out. Oh, it's so starting.
This is starting to slime up.
This is actually a good amount to add because I made a little at first because I didn't want to make a lot.
I'm gonna start digging into my hands. Wow.
So it's still a little sticky and it is a little crunch. It's a little, see that? It's a little rippy.
Just had to pour some of the activator out because it was a little too much. I don't want my slime to rip.
A little bit more glue because I actually have a lot of glue left. I just noticed. Okay.
So guys, this slime looks like it is
So
ripping,
now
so I'm gonna add more.
I am going to do 2 colors.
This slime, it is a beautiful baby blue, but I actually want to add a bit of pink to turn it into like a lightest purple.
I'm not going to mix this up too much because it seemed like when I was mixing up a lot, it didn't really go in as slime. So it just went really hard like, and I'm not sure why it did that. So, I'm
gonna add more glue.
Okay.
So guys, I don't know if you can see, but I still have some glue in this bowl. So we're gonna pack up this slime, and they also give you little containers. Make sure that your slime is not as big so they can fit into the little containers that they give you. I'm gonna begin to mix it just to get a nice consistency going. So yeah.
Now I'm gonna mix this up really good. It's looking really nicely.
So I want this slime to be a simple pink. So I'm just gonna dump.
It's already like slime because if you really look at it,
and then I'm gonna
just
dump
like
some blue into it.
It's like going in there. So yeah. Last time when I added 2, it did not really work out well. So let me just add 1 first, so it doesn't be that hard, because it turned out a little hard. So I'm not going to go with my hands yet because it's still kind of like really sticking to the bowl.
So guys, the bad thing about this was both of my slimes ended up turning out blue, even though I put pink into the slime to try to make it a purple. I don't know if the pink is picking up. It's the same color as the last one. I'm adding a little bit of activator, just a little bit, so it doesn't be like that. It's already starting up.
Okay, so I'm just going to start mixing this in.
But before I finish, we have these beads, so I'm going to add a few beads into the slime.
So I'm going to add this slime to this.
So I added some beads. We need it to be sticky so the beads can flow into the slime. And you also don't want your slime extremely hard when you're playing with it. It's a little too sticky, so I'm just going to add 1 more tab of activator.
So my next technique is not to add a lot of big beads because they can make the slime really hard and you don't want that. So I'm just going to add these little beads.
I need to add a few beads to my bowl.
These word beads. Okay.
They are, the beads actually make your slime a little bit bigger than they already are.
Okay.
So I have this plate, and I don't think my slime can take any of these.
It's really good.
It looks cool. I love my slime.
Take it off.
I think this one is less sticky than this chunky. So yeah.
So my slime is, as you can see, really stretchy. Now I thought first thing that this slime was going to be extremely hard, but turns out, see, if you really look at her slime, she really added a lot of beads.
So guys, I decided to take some of the beads out, mostly all of them, because my slime, it kept falling out of the slime, and the slime was a little hard to stretch with the beads in. So I ended up taking out some of the beads, which I am doing right now.
So my slime is really stretchy, as you can see. It's really good. I'm just gonna make this one pink. So I added a lot of this because like it didn't show up on the
so
other
guys,
one.
Both of my slimes was a little sticky. Wait, not sticky, but both of my slimes was a little hard. So I have some glue left, so I'm just gonna squeeze these into both of my slimes to make them bigger and less hard, so they'll be easy to stretch.
So it's going to just be that. So now I'm going to activate it.
So guys, I'm impressed. It actually worked. It's making my slime look so sticky.
2 drops because I'm pretty sure it's going to activate it enough for the slime to be able to play. So that's really sticky. Not that sticky. I'm going to load that in.
So I decided to add a little bit more activator.
And we're just going to load it in with this slime.
one is a little hard like a I'm a little disappointed. Like, you add about like 2 drops of activator, and this slime is a little like hard as a brick.
Slime, it's like the slime standards. It's stretchy. It doesn't rip that much. It kind of rips when you like stretch it like fast, like that. Can't do that. So that was it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe this video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. Bye guys.